Dubbed the Savage Mountain, K2 in the Himalayas is Earth's second highest peak and arguably the hardest climb in the world. With a 8,611-meter, 28,250-foot summit, routes that are steeper and more difficult than those to the top of Everest, and surrounding weather that is significantly colder and less predictable than on Everest, reaching the top of K2 is the equivalent of winning the Olympic gold in mountaineering. It was first summited in 1954 by two Italians, Lino Lacedelli and Achille Compagnoni. Since then, as of August 2022, best estimates hold that approximately 700 climbers have summited K2, with 190 ascents. 27% of all K2 climbs occurred in the 2022 season alone. Approximately 96 individuals have died on the mountain to date, but the fatality rate, once nearly 25%, is much reduced due to 2022 success and is now at 13%. This remoteness of K2 adds to the beauty, but it also increases the danger. If anything goes wrong on the mountain, even at base camp, it is almost impossible to be evacuated by helicopter in bad weather. In spite of the dangers, the mountain continues to lure climbers to its slopes of dark gray rock. It is the ultimate fear and as such must be faced and overcome by climbers aiming for alpine excellence. In scaling Everest, you are a great climber to the world. Summit K2, and you are a true climber to climbers. To climb K2 from the Pakistani side, it is necessary to apply for permission from the Ministry of Tourism in Islamabad. The peak fee for Southside expeditions is $7,200 for a team of up to 7 climbers, and $1,200 for each additional climber. In addition to the peak fee, you will need to put up a $10,000 rescue bond, completely refundable if it is not used, and a $68 environmental fee. There is a non-refundable service fee of $300 per team. Every year Pakistan Army helicopters perform a number of rescue operations. Recently the Pakistan Army's aviation team has rescued stranded mountaineers, Shehroze Kashif and Fazal Ali, from Nanga Parbat. In this video from 2021, Pakistan Army helicopters airlifted an ailing Polish mountaineer Waldemar Kowalewski from K2 base camp to Skardu, abruptly ending his expedition owing to a disease.